Here I have POCO X4 GT, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera, tap on three lines, then go to settings, and here you have mirror front camera. So let's take for example one picture with this feature enabled and another one with it disabled. So here you can see on this picture my nose is more on the right side, and on this one it's on the left side, just as the lamp. As you can see here, it goes from right, here's from the left. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.